Cybersecurity is exploding into one of the most secure, high-paying career paths in the world. But here's the truth you're not being told. Certifications alone won't get you hired. But the right certifications, in the right order, can launch you into ethical hacking, penetration testing, SOC analysis, cyber defense, and cloud security fast. So today I'll show you the best cybersecurity certifications for 2025, which ones are wasting your time, which ones actually matter to employers, and the exact path to follow from beginner to professional, even if you have no degree or tech background. No motivational lies, just facts. Chapter 1. The Certification Trap. Let's clear one thing up. Certifications don't make you a hacker. They prove knowledge, but not skill. Companies use certs only to filter serious candidates from people who claim to know cybersecurity but have zero proof. Most people make a big mistake. They chase random certifications with no structure. They buy courses, stack certificates, and still can't get a job. Why? Wrong order, wrong purpose, no direction. Certifications must follow a career path, and cybersecurity has many. Before we choose certifications, we must choose a path. Chapter 2. Choose your cyber path. There are 5 major cybersecurity career paths: SOC analyst, blue team, defend systems from attacks, ethical hacker, pen tester, break systems before real hackers do, cloud security engineer, secure AWS, Azure, and cloud infrastructure, digital forensics incident response, DFIR, investigate cybercrime security architect, design secure systems and policies. Each path needs different certifications, so now I'll give you the perfect beginner to advanced certification roadmap for 2025. Chapter 3. Beginner certifications. Start here. If you're new to cybersecurity, this is your foundation. You only need 2 certifications to break in. Google Cybersecurity Professional Certificate, a perfect starter to understand SOC tools, security concepts, and hands-on labs. No prerequisites. CompTIA Security Plus, SY0701, the #1 industry-recognized entry-level security certification. Every HR department knows it. It proves you understand threats, networks, risk, and defense. These 2 open the doors to entry-level cybersecurity roles like SOC Analyst, Level 1, IT Security Support, or Junior Cyber Technician. Chapter 4. Ethical Hacking. Red Team Path, Offense. If your dream is hacking, penetration testing, red teaming, and bug bounty, this is your path. After Security Plus, go here. EJPT, Junior Penetration Tester. Hands-on hacking exam. Proves you can actually hack legally. CEH, Certified Ethical Hacker. HR-friendly certification, widely recognized globally. PNPT, Practical Network Penetration Tester. Real hacking scenarios. Companies love this more than CEH. OSCP, Offensive Security Certified Professional. The ultimate penetration testing certification. Hard, brutal, respected. This path is for people who want to get paid to hack. Chapter 5. Blue Team Path, Defense. Prefer defending networks from attacks? CompTIA CySA Plus, focus on detection and response. ECDFP, Blue Team Level 1, SOC Analyst Practical Training. GCIA, GCIH, GIAC, expensive but elite. Government and big banks accept them. Microsoft SC200, essential if you want a SOC job in Microsoft environments. This path leads to Security Analyst, SOC Engineer, Threat Detection Specialist. Chapter 6. Cloud Security Path, High Salary. Cloud security is one of the highest paying fields in cybersecurity, and it's exploding right now. AWS Cloud Practitioner, Cloud Basics AWS Security Specialty, Protect AWS Systems, Azure Security Engineer, AZ500, Microsoft Cloud Security CCSP, Certified Cloud Security Professional, Advanced Level. If you want 6 figures fast, cloud security plus automation is a deadly combination. Chapter 7. Incident Response Forensics Path. Love investigations like solving cyber crimes? Digital forensics is your field. CHFI, Computer Hacking Forensic Investigator, Forensics Fundamentals ECIH Incident Handler, Respond to Cyber Attacks GIAC GCFA, Advanced Forensics CSI meets Cybersecurity. These guys handle breach recovery, ransomware investigations, cybercrime reports. Chapter 8. The Elite Level, Management Leadership. This level is for people who want six-figure salaries and leadership positions. CISM, Certified Information Security Manager. For security managers, CISSP, Certified Information Systems Security Professional. The gold standard of cybersecurity, ISO 27001, Lead Implementer, Security Compliance and Governance. These certifications are for people aiming at cybersecurity manager, CISO, or senior consultant roles. Chapter 9. Which certifications are useless? Let me be real. Not all certs are worth your time. Avoid these unless required by your job. Random Udemy or Coursera, certificates of completion, vendor certifications with no job market demand. Any certificate that doesn't include hands-on labs. If the certification doesn't give real cyber skills, skip it. Chapter 10. Final advice. Stop collecting certificates like Pokemon. Get skills. Practice in labs. Build a portfolio. Certifications open doors, but skills get you hired. Focus on learning Linux, networking, and Python. Real attack simulation labs like Try Hack Me and Hack the Box. Documenting your projects on GitHub and LinkedIn certifications show employers you are serious. Skills show them you are unstoppable. Disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only. It does not promote hacking, cybercrime, or illegal activity. Always follow ethical cybersecurity practices.